Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one with the negative sign in here. Now, we need to change the sign of this one with the negative. Next, we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only f and y. First, the derivative of f and y, we have 1 over y. This one, we don't have y, so you got 0 in here. This one, we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only s squared. First, the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. And we see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. Now, I need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to the integration. I will select about this one plus 3sy. And now, we need to concentrate on this one. The integration of 2s, we have s squared. So we just have this one left. So for this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds dv. That is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and I will select about s, and this one we have like this. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration. That is about e to the power of s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we just have only f and y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to this one. So, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u square, we have 2u. This one we have 2y. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. Y dy we change by u du. This one we have u square. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So I need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. So 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to the square root of e. Now we put this one, go in here to find the value of c. So this one, you got number 0 in here. Negative number 2 with negative number 1. Because e to the power of 0, we have number 1. So we have positive number 2. This one we have E, and we put this one to change the value of sin here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.